Hello everyone. Today we will see how to create classroom in Google Classroom application and how to send invitation to students. So for that, first you have to download Google Classroom application. You have to open Play Store, then search Google Classroom. You will see the Google Classroom application. Install it. After this, open it. See, you will see the Google Classroom application screen like this. For starting it, you have to click on Get Started button. It will ask you to choose account from for classroom. You have to select the account from which you want to create your class. Okay. See, this is the screen of Google Classroom. After signing in, you will see the screen like this. See, you can also select another account from here. At the bottom, you can see create or join your first class. There is a plus sign from which you can create or join your class. At the top, there are three horizontal lines. If you will click on it, you can see the different options. First is classes, then calendar, then archived classes, then you can see classroom folder, then setting, help, privacy policy and terms of service. Now, how to create a class? For creating a class, first you have to click on the plus sign at the bottom. It will ask you two options, create class or join class. Click on create class. Now there are total 4 options in create class. First is class name, then section, room and subject. Where class name which is compulsory, section, room and subject are not compulsory. If you don't want to write it, you can skip it. I will write the class name here. See, at the top you can see the color of the create button which is right now blue. You can also write sections here. It is optional. If you want to skip it, you can skip it. You can also write the room number and subject. After this, click on the create button. See, your class is created. You can see setting icon at the top. Click on it. See, if you want to change any setting, you can change it from here. You can also change title, description, section, room number, subject, then general setting, student invite setting, then class code, then invitation link, stream setting, classwork on the stream. After changing any setting, just click on the save button. At the bottom, you can see stream, classwork and people. In stream, you can see your post. If student has commented any on your post, you can see it here. Then in classwork, you can see your classwork here. And in people, you can see the people here. Right now there is no student or any teacher. If you want to invite any teacher, just click on the plus icon beside the teacher. Write the teacher's email ID. If the email ID is correct, it will show you the option add recipient. Click on it. See, now at the top there is invite button. Click on the invite button. So the teacher will receive an email from your class to join your class. And if you want to invite any student, the same process, click on the plus icon beside the students. Write your student's email ID. And click on the invite. You can also invite your student through class code. See, at the setting, you can see the class code here. Just click on the class code and it will be automatically copied. Now you can share this class code using any application such as Gmail, WhatsApp, and you can also invite through link so student can directly join your class. Now after inviting, you can, if you want to assign any classwork to your student, click on the classwork option. See, right now there is no classwork. Click on the plus icon at the bottom to create an assignment, question, material, request, reuse, post or topic. I will click on the assignment. See, there is title of your assignment, description, points, then due date and topic. Topic which means your subject. I will write title. Then description. You can also give points to this assignment. Otherwise, you can keep it as ungraded. You can select the due date from here, due date and time. See, time which is optional. If you want to select it, click on the time. Now click on the topic. It will ask you pick a topic. Otherwise, you can add a new topic. Write your subject name here and click on the save button. Now after this, if you want to attach any file, there is attachment icon at top. Click on it. You can attach your file from your drive. Otherwise, you can attach link, file, take photo, record video, and you can also create a new PDF here. I will click on file. You can select pictures, video, audio, download. You can select it from Google Drive. Select your file. Select the PDF or your file. See, at material you can see your file. See, at the at the file name there is an option of your file. See, student can view, student can edit, make a copy for each student and delete. In student can view, student can only view this file. Then the second option, students can edit, which means student can edit this file and then send it to you, and make a copy for each student, which means student can download their copies. I will click on the make a copy for each student. So students can download this file. After it, click on the send button. See, now at classwork you can see computer assignment. Okay, thank you.